my channel. I am so excited because today's unboxing is my favorite accessory box, Luxury Divas. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I know this is such a great time of year. People are doing their Vlogmas, they're getting advent calendars, so you guys are definitely keeping me busy watching videos and making videos. So let's get into this. Luxury Divas, again, is an accessory box. It comes monthly, and my link below gives you $5 off. So I think with the $5 off your first box, it's $30, and then it's like $35 a month. But I do like a 3-month or a 6-month plan, and then it's cheaper from there. But let me tell you, this box is well worth it. Now, I have cheated and seen some unboxings, and because it's winter time, I've seen a lot of warm and cozy looking things. So I'm excited to get into this box. When you open it up, it comes with a personalized note from your stylist, and usually with a piece of candy, and then everything that's in the box. And this one says Happy Holidays. So this also has, I believe, everything that's in the box. So my stylist is Marina. I've had her since the beginning. The holidays have always brought out the kid in me, and I hope this December box does the same for you. Wishing you and your subscribers happy holidays and a very happy new year. And then there's a candy cane. So that will be eaten. And again, it comes wrapped in tissue paper. It's always such a nice box to get. And when you sign up for this box, you fill out a profile with the colors you like, if you like jewelry, things that you like. So my box could be different than some of the channels that I've been watching. I kind of hope not, because I liked everything that they got. But the first thing I see in here is a pair of silver earrings. And it's from Luxury Diva. I'm not gonna take them out of the package. They look light enough that I can wear them. I can't wear real heavy earrings, so I really like these. And there's just like warm and fuzzies in here. And this, I saw this on Vicki's channel, and she figured out. So you put this on your hand, and it's got this warm fuzzy purse. And if you haven't seen Vicki's channel, you have to check it out, because she got a new dog, Charlie, and this dog is so adorable. So please check out Vicki's channel. If I have a link, I will leave it below just to see her puppy. So this is a nicely lined bag. So if you're going out for hot chocolate or just going out on the town, it's just so adorable. Now it does detach, because like out here I probably wouldn't wear this thing around my wrist, and especially because I have such skinny wrists. But I do love this bag, and I will definitely use the bag. This is just super, super cute. And the next thing is a Tuba lipstick, and this is from Katy Covergirl. And let's check out the color. And I think it's like kind of wrapped up, so I won't be able to, I'm gonna get this all over now. Ooh. And this color is beautiful. You can see that. It's like a dark mauve, and it's called Tricot Griffles. So I do like this, and of course it'll fit in this cute little purse. The next thing that we have is this cute little cap. It's a brown color. I think we got a cap in our last box, but I am going to be sending that one to my daughter. And I think I'm going to keep this one because we've been going out on our quad, side-by-sides, whatever you want to call them, and it does get chilly in the morning when we go. So this hat would be great. Now I can tell you it's going to get dirty and you won't recognize it after a while, but it's got cute little Luxury Diva. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a chocolate brown hat. I know Vicki put hers on, but I just don't want to crush my hair, so I'm not going to wear it. And then the next thing is this gorgeous scarf. I think it's a scarf. Looks like a scarf. Sometimes they're ponchos. Oh, wait. Is it? Okay, give me a chance to figure this out. It looks like it's a poncho. There's a hole, I'm assuming, to go over your head. And what a beautiful color. Oop, I just got into my lipstick. So this is a really nice, and I could actually wear this at night when we watch TV. We sit on the couch, it does get a little chilly, and I'm always covering myself up with the blanket. So I love this. Oops, did I like totally do my hair here? So this is so fun. Then there's a pair of leggings. I won't try these on because that would be too much work for me. They are Sophia long, and I don't know what size they are or if it's one size. It says free size, so I'm assuming it's a one size. I don't know if my body will fit in these, but they definitely look long enough. And this time of year, I do wear leggings with boots, so I am enjoying this. What a great box. So let's go over everything that we got. I have the price sheet here, and I'm not taking this off. The first thing is the beige timeless plaid. It is called a poncho, and it comes in black, ivory, gray, and beige. And this is the beige color, and I'm liking it. I like it so much I'm gonna wear it in the next video. And it retails for $35, which really isn't a bad price. And the nice thing about Luxury Divas, you can go on their website. So if you want to get another one of these, or you want to get it in a different color, you can order them. So to spend $35 to order these for gifts is great. Then were the leggings, and they are so soft. And they are the black fleece lined comfy leggings, and they come in black or gray. If they fit me, I will definitely get the gray, and they retail for $20, which isn't bad for leggings. Then we have the slouchy cable knit unisex beanie cap hat. I guess a man could wear this. I could tell you right now, my man would not wear this. But it is cute, and it comes in the gray, ivory, black, red, taupe, and brown. And I'm thinking this is the brown, and it's $18. And $18 for this hat is really, really good. Then were these cute, adorable silver earrings, and they are called the Teardrop Dingle silver plated earrings. This is the only color they come in, and they retail for $20. Then we have the lipstick that I put in my adorable bag. This is the Katy Perry Covergirl matte lipstick, and it says colors various, so I don't know what colors they come in, and it's $10. And this fun thing, it is so soft, and I might have to get another one of these as a gift. This is the Ivory White Fur Cuff Wristlet. It comes in black, ivory, or pink, and it retails for $25. But I just love this thing. And so this whole box, as I said, I think I paid $25 because of the plan I'm on. I paid $25 for 30. It retails for $126. So just to get this as a gift, already wrapped up and ready to send, is a totally great idea. I mean, who wouldn't love the poncho? So I might just have to just get these as gifts for my girls. So let me know what you think. Again, I'm going to be filming another video, and I'm not taking this off. So you are going to see that in that video. So again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you like the video. And comment. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.